Tip 1. First, I prepare 2 slices of soft, fresh bread and place them on a clean cutting board. Then, I use a cup with a round rim to press down gently on the center of the bread slice to create a small round hole. Just press enough to cut the bread neatly along the mold, avoiding twisting or pressing too hard. Otherwise, the edges will tear and be difficult to keep their shape during cooking. Next, I place a nonstick pan on the stove and turn the heat to low. When the pan is warm, I add a small piece of butter. Stir gently until the butter is almost melted and gives off a mild aroma. At this point, I gently place the bread slice in the pan and cook over low heat until the bottom turns lightly golden and slightly crispy. I crack an egg into the center of the pre-made round hole. Lower the heat to low so the egg cooks slowly. While I waited, I took the sausages and diced them. When the white begins to set, I sprinkle a little diced sausage on top. Add a little salt and pepper on top. Simply cover the pan for 1 to 2 minutes to let the residual heat cook the eggs evenly without increasing the heat. When done, I gently lift the sandwich onto a plate. The edges of the bread are golden and crispy, with a soft, smooth layer of egg in the middle, interspersed with savory sausage and rich, aromatic cheese. This egg sandwich is both simple and provides enough energy for the morning. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2 for separating egg yolks. I cracked 4 eggs into a large bowl. Then, using a wooden spoon the size of an egg yolk, I gently scooped the egg yolk into another bowl. Gently and evenly scoop to avoid breaking the yolk. Next, I add a pinch of salt to the bowl of yolks to enhance the flavor. Using a whisk, I gently and evenly stir the yolks to blend them with the salt. Place the pan on the stove, add a small piece of butter, and spread it around the pan so that it melts and covers the entire surface. The butter not only prevents sticking, but also adds a very appealing aroma to the eggs. I pour the egg yolks into the pan, spreading them thinly into an even layer. Keep the heat low and cook for about 2 minutes until the surface of the eggs begins to set but is still slightly soft. Meanwhile, I cut 4 slices of cheese to a moderate thickness. It's wonderful that we can connect from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When the egg yolk layer has started to cook, I place all 4 slices of cheese horizontally at one end of the egg layer. Then, I use a spoon to gently roll the egg, wrapping the cheese inside. Be careful to roll only the part with cheese, leaving a portion of the egg unrolled so that we can add a new layer later. While waiting for the egg layer to continue cooking gently, I finely chop some green onions. add them to the original bowl of egg whites. I use a whisk to beat the egg whites until they are slightly fluffy and tiny bubbles appear on the surface. There is no need to beat them until stiff. Just create a light fluffiness so that when cooked, the egg layer is softer and not dense. Then, I pour all the egg whites into the pan, right next to the unrolled egg, so that the new layer connects to the original roll. I gently spread the egg whites evenly into a thin layer, then wait until the eggs begin to set and are almost cooked. Then, using a spoon, I gently rolled the eggs, wrapping the egg whites around the previous roll. This made the roll thicker, firmer, rounder, and very appealing to the eye. I let it rest for about a few dozen seconds to stabilize its shape. Place the dish on a plate and add chili sauce on top. Then, I used a sharp knife to cut it into bite-sized pieces. When cut, the inside reveals layers of golden egg interlaced with smooth white egg whites, with melted, rich cheese in the middle. It looks irresistible. This cheese-filled egg roll is quick to make, requires little oil, yet remains flavorful and nutritious, rich in protein from the eggs and calcium from the cheese, making it perfect for breakfast or a light meal anytime. Tip 3. First, crack all 3 eggs into a large bowl. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of ground black pepper to enhance the flavor. I use a whisk to beat the mixture until the yolks and whites are completely blended. You only need to beat until the mixture is smooth and uniform. No need to beat too vigorously to avoid creating too many air bubbles. I place the pan on the stove, turn the heat to low, and add a small piece of butter. When the butter melts and becomes fragrant, the bread will absorb the rich, buttery flavor, making it much more appealing. Take 2 slices of bread, tear them into bite-sized pieces, and place them directly into the pan. Use a spatula to stir evenly so the bread absorbs the butter and begins to lightly brown. Fry over low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until the edges of the bread are slightly crispy. When the bread is lightly browned, I pour the entire mixture into the prepared egg mixture. I chop the green onions and add them to the mixture, then stir well with a spoon so that the bread absorbs the eggs evenly. Stir well so that the bread and onions are evenly coated with the seasoning. Next, place the pan on the stove, add butter to the pan, and let the butter melt. Then, pour the entire egg and bread mixture into the pan, using a spoon to spread it evenly into a round layer like a pizza crust. Fry over low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes until the bottom is golden brown and begins to set. Once the pancake has set, use a plate that is the same size as or larger than the pan to flip it. After flipping, I spread about 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce evenly over the surface. Then I sprinkled a layer of shredded cheese to cover the entire surface of the pizza. While waiting, I slice 1 tomato into thin slices for garnish and to add a natural hint of tartness. Scatter the sliced tomatoes on top. Then add a second layer of cheese. The 2 layers of cheese will help the pizza have a richer flavor and more appealing strings when finished. Cover the pan, turn off the heat, and let it sit for about 5 minutes. The residual heat in the pan will melt the cheese completely without needing to continue cooking, preventing the pizza from drying out. After opening the lid, the cheese will be soft and melted, with a light golden surface, interspersed with the red of the tomatoes and the green of the parsley, looking incredibly appealing. So today we've completed 3 simple egg recipes, each with its own unique flavor and twist. Which of today's 3 recipes is your favorite? The quick and easy egg bread, the cheese-stuffed rolled eggs, or the rich and creamy egg pizza bread? If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple, easy to make, and healthy recipes every day. See you in the next videos.